Here are the top 10 reasons why you should visit Helsinki. Helsinki is the capital city of Finland. It was until 1812 that Helsinki became the capital city of Finland. Initially, the capital city of Finland was in Turku during the Swedish rule, and then it was moved to Helsinki during the Russian rule. And one of the best things that you can experience during summer is the canal tours. These tours you can book online, and this video was actually taken during a canal tour. The tour takes approximately 90 minutes and offers a different perspective of Helsinki from the sea. And on board is a restaurant which you can order your summer drinks or whatever kind of drinks you want. And then there is buffet, lunch or dinner, as well as you can order from the menu. Number 2 reason why you should visit Helsinki is the Helsinki Cathedral. It's one of the iconic buildings in the city center, and it was built as a tribute to the Duke of Finland in the 19th century. And also it offers, because it's in a raised place, it offers a panoramic view of the city. And from the canal you can also see the big ferries that are going to neighboring countries like Sweden, Lithuania, and also to Tallinn. And then we have the Helsinki Wheel, which is located in the city center, so you can access it either by walking, taking a taxi, or using the tram or even the bus services. And it offers a panoramic view of the city. It was opened in 2014, and one of the cabins acts as a sauna. From the canal you can see the luxury boat, and the boat here that the dock can take up to 11,000 boats, so that's quite massive. So from the Helsinki Wheel you're able to enjoy your sauna as you watch the city unfold. And then we have the Uusbenski Cathedral. This is the main cathedral of the Orthodox Church of Finland. You can see behind there the Helsinki Cathedral, the white top building there. Number 4 is the Temppeli Aukio Church, which was built directly into a solid rock, and also known as the Rock Church. And this is one of the most popular tourist sites. Then we have the Kauppatori, or the market square. This is where they sell the traditional foods and snacks, and it's actually located from the ferry connection place where we took this boat. And there are handcrafts and souvenirs that you can buy. Then we have Sibelius Monument, number 5. The Sibelius Monument is built from approximately over 600 metal tubes, and it is a tribute of the songwriter Finlandia, one of the most popular songs in Finland. That is an up-close photo of the Uusbenski Cathedral. It's very beautiful and one of the iconic places for tourists. And that is the Helsinki Cathedral, the white one. You can see the Helsinki Cathedral and the Rock Church up close photo. Then there's an art gallery behind and the Helsinki Library. And number 9 is the Suomenlinna, not shown in this photo, and you can access it using the day tickets or the day ticket trips. Linna was built in the 18th century by the Swedish, and there are defensive walls, walking trails which you can enjoy. There are restaurants there and old artillery that is displayed there, and you can access Suomenlinna using the day tickets. And number 9 is Linnanmäki Amusement Park, which is good for young people and the old. And number 10, Helsinki offers a gateway to other neighboring cities by or via the ferry. Join us in our next video as we explore the city of Tallinn in Estonia. Thank you.